Hey everyone, it's Corey Roscoe and Leslie Howard standing in front of one of our newest listings here at 5273 Copley Circle. We're in beautiful Wescott Plantation right here in Dorchester County.
Some of the things to note are that this particular home and neighborhood is very close to the Wescott Golf Club and Clubhouse. There are multiple pools for Wescott Plantation. We are in the DD2 school district. And also, this home is very close to the Walmart shopping center right behind the house with lots of shops and eateries around.
This home is a one-story floor plan that backs up to the pond. Let's go take a quick tour and let us know if you have any questions.